siento lejos, dime dónde estás. Te quiero chingar, te voy a arrastrar. Déjate llevar, apaga el celular. Si estás conmigo no te va a pasar nada.
Hey, how you doing? In this video, I'm gonna take you into this day in the life of a full-time day trader in Thailand, alright? As you can see, I'm in this pretty chill villa right now, and you know, we're chilling. I actually didn't trade yesterday, by the way, but regardless, not every single day is a trading day. But look at this view, man. Look at this view. This is a pretty chill looking ass villa. And god damn, hold on one second. This is essentially the first villa that I'm gonna be in. I have two other villas that I'm gonna go into just to see this country, because I thought about moving in here at some point, but obviously I'm not very sure about that yet if I'm gonna move here. But very good place, very good weather, nice people, and you know, good houses, good villas. But regardless, like I told you in this video, I'm gonna literally show you everything step by step as a day trader, day in life. But now, before I show you everything else, let's go to the beach. Jellyfish, dangerous jellyfish, but you know, it's alright. Hey, okay. Alright, as you can see, back at the villa, and I gotta be honest, I got a mess, bro. I forgot to update this day in the life. Essentially, I went to the beach, right? I ate some steak, and I was chilling a little bit, okay? But essentially, man, this is life, you know, this is life. Look at this view. You know, I gotta be honest, I used to post day in the lives more, but nowadays I'm kind of educating more. I feel like people appreciate it more. I mean, I feel like people get more value from that. The reason why I'm recording this video right now is to motivate, innovate, and educate, okay? 2 years ago, I didn't have this opportunity. I couldn't just travel. I couldn't just do whatever I want. I didn't have the freedom. You know, I was flipping burgers for $9 an hour. And all I'm saying is, if you put your head down for a little bit, you block the outside noise, you hang around with the right people, that's how you can become profitable, okay? And obviously, find the right guidance. I remember I was losing mainly because I didn't get the right guidance, man. There was too many gurus out there, too many BS teachers. And I'm not even complaining, I'm not even blaming them, but I was also the problem, you know. I was just constantly trying to flip accounts. I was constantly trying to switch strategies because that strategy didn't work. So I just hopped on different strategies. And you know, then I realized I cannot do that, okay? Regardless, I'm kind of yapping right now, but you get the point. Be consistent with everything. Make sure to always increase the odds by all means, okay? That's how you become profitable. The way you increase the odds in trading is trading at the right time, trading the right pair, risking accordingly to the trade. If it's a nice trading setup, you're gonna risk a little bit more. If it's a mid-tier setup, you can risk a little bit less. If it's a shit setup, you skip the day. You get the point. That's how you increase the odds in trading, okay? And you know what's crazy? It is currently 2 p.m. in Thailand right now. And most people on this planet of Earth are working right now. I should be working as well if I wasn't doing trading, or I should be studying for a test. But I'm not doing that because I started trading. But am I saying that it was easy? Fuck no, it was hard as hell. The main reason why I was losing for 2 years was purely for the fact that I was constantly switching strategies, and also I didn't get the right guidance. Once I understood how to trade, that's when everything clicked. And once I understood that I have to be in charge, I have to increase odds, that's when I realized that this shit is easy. Okay, now it's easy, okay? 30-60 minutes a day, very, very easy. But regardless, man, lock in, do whatever you gotta do, believe in yourself, believe in the vision. Don't listen to haters, don't listen to them motherfuckers. If somebody hates on you, use it as fucking fuel, okay? I need you to hate, okay? I want people to hate. When I see a hate comment, I'm like, I'm smiling, bro. I'm literally smiling when I see a hate comment, okay? Because hate is fuel. It's fuel. Haters don't realize that they're fueling me. I'm a machine fueled by rage. That sounds goofy, but it's true. But regardless, man, I'm gonna swim a little bit in this pool, chill, take some sun, and then I'm going to update you, alright? This is crazy, bro. I literally fell asleep, okay? I fell asleep, so I missed the trading session. That's crazy. Because, you know, in this country, the session is like very late, very late in the day, and like 9:30 a.m. Eastern time is the normal time, right? When the session opens at Eastern time, Eastern Standard Time. Right here, it's like 8:30 p.m. And I know that's not too late, but it's like kind of fell asleep because I didn't sleep much last night. But regardless, tomorrow's a new day. All right, so looking at this, bro, I'm actually glad I fell asleep because look at this. This is when the session opens, right? 9:30 a.m. Eastern time, and just look at this. You know, this is not what we want to see. Okay. This is just choppiness, okay? Choppiness that is slowly going up. We don't want to see that shit. What we want to see is consistent movement in one direction. As you see, it's going up a little bit, down, up, down, okay? So I'm actually, maybe it was a good thing that I fell asleep. But then we got this huge push down, which actually isn't even that great because there's no retracements. There's nothing great. Could potentially have catch that move, but not very great, okay? Let's be honest. That is just all of a sudden a dump to the downside, still into the markets. And then we kind of took some liquidity right here. And, you know, let's be honest. Maybe it turned out great. Maybe it was for the good that I fell asleep. But regardless, tomorrow's a new day. We have to understand as traders that not every single trading day is a trading day, okay? Yesterday was a great trading day, but I didn't take any trades because I missed the trade, right? Like I told you. But it's all good, you know, it's all good. I'm here chilling a little bit. Oh, did you see that lightning? All right, man. So essentially, it is currently almost 10 p.m. in this country, in this island. If you guys don't know, where is this? This is Koh Samui in Thailand, a little island in Thailand. So that's cool, man. And right now it's like heavy rain, heavy storm, heavy lightning, thunder. That's cool, you know, because I'm about to go to sleep, so that's perfect. But regardless, man, pretty chill day. My bad, I forgot to record a lot of stuff today, but in the next day in life, I'll remember to record everything, okay? Because I don't post many vlogs. I used to post more, but maybe it's good to start posting them a little bit because a lot of people just wanted to get some daily lives, okay? A lot of people ask in the Instagram. And by the way, about that, make sure to follow me on Instagram. Make sure to join the free Telegram. And also, if you want to learn day trading completely for free, you can click the first link in the description. It will take you to my course. And yeah, man, comment down below what you think about this video. If you want to see more of these videos, let me know. All right, like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, man, as usual, I'll see you on the side. Peace out.